Users with administrator role at the site level can add users on Teamie. Click the sliding menu and then click People under Manage Teamie section. Select the Add People option. Select the role that you wish to assign to the user on Teamie. In this case, we are creating a user with student role at the site level. Add the user's unique identifier, such as the username and email. In this case, only username is set as the unique identifier for the site. Add the password and then confirm the same. You can also send a one-time login to reset their password. If the site is configured only for logging in via a single sign-on, then the password will not be required. Tick the Notify User of New Account checkbox if you wish to send a welcome email to the new user, using which the user can reset the password if required. Enter user's personal information, such as first name, last name, and gender. If required, you can tick the Set Expiration for this user checkbox and set the user expiry date to automatically block the user on the specified date. Please note that, based on your site configuration, you might have more user fields data to select while creating a user. Click the Create New Account button to add the new user to your Teamie site. You can search the newly added user from the Manage People page.